guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show you how to play It Ain't Easy by Restless Road. So this just came in my recommendation and I just want to show you this one. The acoustic version. It actually sounds pretty good and it's actually very easy to play on the guitar. So let's get started. Firstly, the main thing is it's not in standard tuning. Now you guys may just think, oh, it's not in standard tuning, but that's not the case. I also used to think like that when I was like practicing guitar for just 2-3 months. But the thing is, you can just go to App Store or you can just go to Play Store or just type DA Tuner. You can just download that app and you will see there are a lot of tuning stuff and all. So you can just go and set that into chromatic tuning, and over there I can just like tune your strings or guitar. It's actually very nice app, very user friendly. So you can just use that app and tune your guitar to a flat, which means we are in a E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B flat, E flat, and I see many country songs are actually in flat because they sound very beautiful. So let's dive into it. Everything is flat. I hope I don't need to show you how to tune and all. Simple, just download that app. But make sure whenever you just you are just retuning back to the standard, you go very slow. Otherwise, there are chances of the string coming out and hitting your face. So let's have a look at the first chord. It's a G major, which is 3-2 open open 3-3. On the tab is not 3 on the B string, but still you can play the same thing after all. Sounds completely different with a with that what do you call that? A standard tuning is in F sharp. So G. Now we have a C add 9, which is mute 3-2 open 3. Now you will see in the tab it's written mute your high E string, but no, keep that high E string open. Let that E ring. It sounds beautiful. So we got a G, C add 9. So mute 3-2 open 3 open, and then D major mute open second third second. So let's get started and have a look at this part. So what I do is everything is alternate tuning. So we start off playing 8th fret on the B string. I do a little bend, which is like it's a 1/4. You can say quarter bend. I'm doing on the 8th fret of the B string. I just do and come back. And then I do a bend on the 10th fret, which is a whole step, which means on the 12th fret. So make sure if your guitar is good, you can just bend a lot, or you can just slide to 12th fret. So you can, then you play 8th fret. So you got, so we play 8th fret. And then we play 5th fret on the B string. Again we do a quarter bend over there. And then we play 7th fret on the B string and do a quarter bend. So and that's it. You can just go with that. Pretty simple. Let's have a look at the chords. The chord progression throughout the whole song will be a G major, then a C. So we have the C and D in one single bar, which means we are playing 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. On the strumming pad, you can actually see my right hand right now. It will be down down up up down. So you got down down up up down, down down up up down. One more time. Down down up up down. Try and break the string pattern in 2 parts. One is down down up up down. So on the G we just can't do that down down up up down. And then on the C at 9 you will do down down. And on the D you just can't do up up down. It's beautiful. Let's play it. Down down up up down. C at 9. Up up. that's it. In the song I actually hear at the end we just have E minor. So like what you do is you can just do one thing. E minor is basically 0 2 to 0 0 0, one of the easiest chord on guitar. Or you can just play E minor and then go to D, like a passing chord. You can say like we've down, up, down, down, down. I can just play E minor and just go to D major. It's like a passing chord. Don't focus on that. I just see it's actually in the end of the song, so that's not a big thing. I can just omit that, and that's pretty much everything for the song. So if this helps you out, make sure to be one of these. Subscribe, and if you just want to learn any other song by Restless Road, drop a comment down below. I'll do that, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.